Hi everyone, it's Jasmine here from Claromentis, North America. Today we'll be taking a look at how you can use your Claromentis intranet to automate workflows and forms. Workflow automation and digital forms are essential in today's world of hybrid and remote working. By using paperless forms and automated workflows, teams can complete their tasks regardless of their working location and without much manual intervention. Even the most complex of business processes can be broken down into a sequence of simple steps. Taken in conjunction with each other, these steps will make up a workflow. Claromentis' eforms and workflow software can be used to create many different versions of automated workflows, and we'll be exploring that in our video today. Using our eforms and workflow software, you can build online fillable forms that contain automated workflows. A workflow in a process determines the way in which a form or ticket can move between statuses and handlers as work progresses. In Claromentis, we can set specific statuses for each process and define which users can update the status at any point in the workflow. We can also control valid workflows and notify the relevant user when their input is required during the workflow. An approval workflow is an example of a process that will likely change for each form depending on the values of certain fields. A common approval workflow is an expense request where you might need different levels of approvals for departmental expenses. Using this expense request workflow, we can create an automated approval where if the dollar value is less than a certain amount, the request will automatically be approved. If the dollar amount falls between a higher set of values, we can then change the automation to ensure that a manager is required to approve the request. At an even higher threshold, we can send the request to a senior staff member, such as the CFO, to approve the request following the manager. The form itself is also dynamic so that the visible sections and fields are appropriate for each stage of the workflow. This allows the correct data to be captured at any point in the workflow and will also hide any irrelevant data from being shown. Workflow automation and digital forms provides time-saving and operational benefits to your teams and entire business. Claromentis offers the capability to easily create these powerful automated workflows to fit your specific processes and help you streamline operations. If you're not yet using Claromentis, book a personal demo with us to get your own system to explore and try out our automated workflows for yourself. If you are a Claromentis customer already but haven't had a chance to use these features, simply head to our support portal Discover to book in a training session. Thanks again for watching.